Have you ever felt all we're doing is waking, living like a zombie, and going back to sleep? If this is what we call being alive, then I definitely must be a zombie. Everyone tells you adventure is dangerous, but this routine was turning me inside out. My bike seemed like the rabbit that could lead me to Wonderland. It seemed like the only thing that could unplug me from this matrix and warp me to a world where every day is an adventure. Where every day is living on the edge. The only thing that was stopping me was me, myself, and I. To do the one thing that I love so dearly is to ride.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, by the way, my name is Sagar, another cog in the wheel who loves to ride. Hope you enjoy this experience as much as I loved making it. These guys have broken my side stand. Not able to make the bike stand. I don't know how I'm going to unpack all of this. It's become a huge nightmare for me, but it's part of the package, man. I signed up for it. God damn it. For this overlanding journey, I will be riding the all-new Kraftfahrt Zugetrunken Pulse Batighofen 390 Duke 2018.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Good morning. This is day 2 of my journey. And this is Prem and this is Vikram. I met them just yesterday. I lost my phone and my bike was damaged. I was literally like, my legs were cut off, my heart was like taken away from me. But these guys have spent entire 2 days with me to help me get back on my feet. In fact, this gentleman here, he paid for the mobile which I bought. I lost my mobile and he bought me a new mobile, saying that you can transfer it when you go back home. Like, who does that, dude? Like, who does that? These people are like they just made my day, and I can't thank them enough. How do I thank them? I don't know. Like, this is what I ask. Like, this is what I ask when I'm traveling. Like, this is, these people just make my day. Thank you very much, dude. Thank you very much. Are you guys familiar with the term guardian angels? Well, I am. I only limited their existence to movies and fiction, but never imagined their appearance in real life. These lads skipped work, ascertained that no stone was left unturned, and ensured that I left their town safe and happy. While I wondered why I deserved such hospitality, it definitely restored my faith in humanity. Forever indebted, with a feeling of undying gratitude, I bid farewell to my brothers and head towards Shillong in Meghalaya. Hello. I'm in the outskirts of Shillong and I'm staying at a Oyo room. It's a new property, I guess. It's really nice, and the owner has been kind enough to offer me with authentic Khasi food, which is the local cuisine in Meghalaya. Well, the food really looks delicious, man. This is pork and this is pork, yes. I'm going to belt this now after a long day. Unlike the rest of India, people of Meghalaya have a strict road sense and adhere to it. Well, I felt really out of place, cutting lanes. Leaving the city behind, riding the winding roads of Meghalaya towards Silchar, Assam, I was impressed to see the people here were amazing, the villages so clean and organized, with the roads very well maintained. From the green pastures and tea gardens of Assam, the landscape changed. It opened up to thick green canopies. Is when I knew I had entered Manipur, the land of jewels. Somewhere on the forest roads, I met a group of enthusiastic, adventurous riders of Manipur who were riding all across the northeastern states, spreading awareness about motorcycle riding and safety. Due to the loose soil of this region, I found it a little hard to gain traction and ride on these roads. But as travelers, we'd be on these roads for a week or more, having a sense of achievement. But what we fail to realize is that the locals and the trucks do this day in and day out relentlessly. I have nothing but major respect for these guys. As we rode together, they made sure that no man was left behind, thus adding a beautiful chapter to my motorcycle diary. Enjoying the winding roads with the constant breeze on my face was almost therapeutic, and the anticipation to explore our neighboring country Myanmar was sky high.